Specialized analyses often outstrip standard DAQ capabilities. GI Bench provides the flexibility you need through advanced Python integration. Leverage powerful Python libraries, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, to quickly implement custom analyses directly, all integrated in our GI Python modules library. Instantly enhance your DAQ with GI Python modules, a collection of pre-built high-performance functions that streamline common engineering tasks such as back-end connectivity, data import, merge export, analysis, protocols, and advanced machine learning. Easily integrate them into your code or develop custom modules to extend functionality without starting from scratch. Perform sophisticated, real-time calculations, custom filters, fatigue analyses, predictive algorithms, and immediately see results within your analytics section. Python integration and the GI Python module library ensure you're never constrained. Achieve exactly the insights your complex measurements demand effortlessly.